Yo, we could just get some data or something. All right, let's see. All right. So I tried to swing something last night because it was looking good and it did not work out in my favor this time. Okay. We got consumer sentiment 30 minutes in the market open. We'll be on the lookout for that. Gotta, yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it tight. All right, so, ooh, hold up. We got a trend line down here. Let's see. Hey, maybe we come retest that. We also got this major level down here. See if we can, see if anything will go on with that. Apple has something that like, um, yeah, we really pushing it at 6 minutes in the market open. Good morning, family. Hey, 90% red. That's y'all are wildin'. Maxwell, good morning. Good morning. Those push yesterday went crazy. They were just waiting for the stream, bro. They were waiting for the stream to end, and then they just, yeah, they said let's drop it. But yeah, it doesn't quite look like we're ready to go up yet. Tamara, good morning. Stacy, good morning. All right, so we're back in the, what is it, the $100 account. I got 90 in it. I think I need to transfer 100 over. Let me see. Cause I transferred some of the money out, or I transferred most of the money out. Destiny, top of the morning. Welcome to the stream. Make me a sandwich. Good morning, Corey. Good morning. Hey, what they do? Right now, if you're referring to the stocks, they go down. Marcus, good morning. Good morning. Lots of opportunity this morning. I'm a little. It's kind of like like I was hoping it looked like it was more ready to go up, but it looks like we could move down some more. But one thing I will say, if we get a pop at open, I like the idea of a pullback from that pop. But we have a nice little range here to start the morning. I think we could like work our way back up. No promises. I think we could like work our way back up and then make our way back down. I don't know, but we'll kind of see. Try not to jump in anything. Market open here in 10 minutes. Shelma, good morning. All right, let me make sure this account is right. Okay, yo, we got the money where it should be. Okay, back to 100. Y'all, I traded some more, like just over this past week in the 100 to 1K account. I don't know what I made over the week. Hold up. Was last week the 28th or the 8th? No, that wasn't. Last week was the 10th. Oh, so I made like an extra 53 the extra day. All right, we're still pushing lows. Honestly, if we just want to come for this low at open, oh, that could change things too. We keep selling off and pushing lower though. Leo, good morning. Alex, hey, good morning, family. Hey, let's try to play patience. Also, I want to say if you're here Monday through Friday or Monday through Thursday with me, today or this morning, the pace is going to slow down because we're back. The objective for today's stream, first off, is just to move forward in the 100 to 1K challenge. So I'm not looking for a runner. I gotta protect this $100 more because it's not quite as obvious, or like the confidence isn't as high when you're trading with less, and I can't just throw in another like 100 to protect it. So just want to like let y'all know, like, gotta be a little bit more protective of this, because that's how you get past that first stage. But as you go on more and more, it gets easier per se. But yeah, I'm watching the SPY, watching like the lower time frame, but also seeing what's up. Okay, we still keep trying to push this low. Really interested to see what kind of volume comes in. Tech Override, good morning. Brandon, good morning. Yo, happy Friday. There's a lot of opportunity today. One thing that's a little annoying for me right now, bro, I grabbed a AMD call before close yesterday. It was cheap for an AMD call, but it wasn't like necessarily cheap, and it expires today. It still has a chance, but needs some things to turn around. Google might dump today some more. Hey, we got a lot of things that could dump today some more. I want to see the VIX up. Well, VIX I guess did update. I want to see the PCE update. I want to see. Well, let me slide that down a little bit. Yeah, I really want to see what we decide to do here. Okay, good morning, Britt. Good morning. Also, I'm gonna say I'm curious about the option pricing too. Let me see. Let's see what kind of. I'm just curious to see how much options are going for. Oh wait, okay. Oh, okay. So the ones I would normally go for, probably like the ones that are normally like 70 right now, or like 50 or like 130 right now. It's almost a 100% increase on the ones I usually go for. It's not the most favorable conditions, but hey, we'll make it work. Tony Math, good morning, family. Yeah, so I'm going to say I'm going to pay attention to this trend we have going right here today on the Heiken Ashi. Next areas of interest to the downside, where I'll consider upside, is a bounce off this trend line on the SPY. Here, let me come to a higher time frame so you can see it. So we have this trend, this channel on the SPY. That's the next one. Also, I want to show you AMD as well. Oh, well, I guess it's already there. Where is it? Did I delete it? I might have deleted it, but there was a nice like trending channel on AMD, and it's like in the bottom of it, but I don't know. Oh well. But yeah, so next we have that level, and then if we come to 739, we got some liquidity there that kind of led us up to like 752, but also we got this 200 moving average. So I'm really gonna hone in and look for this 13 EMA today. Catching up. I'm not in any trades yet today. So today the primary focus is going to be the $100 to 1K account. So because of that, I got to be more protective. When I'm trading with less, I got to be more responsible, because if I want to make it past this $100 stage, me taking this first trade, I need to take a better trade, because it's not like I have enough to recover from it. Like I can stop the trade and recover from it, but I pretty much only get one trade in this account today, so Trying to wait and see. We still got the SPY going down. Honestly, y'all, I would not be surprised to see the market kind of come down front half of the day. I would like to see like some consolidation. And then, um, here, let me also take a quick look at the gamma exposure. Here, let's see. What's that? AMD going for a new low? Yeah, RIP to that swing, that put I swung yesterday. Okay. Where? Oh, I was looking at the gamma exposure. All right, so we do have a put wall at 740, but we are negative gamma. Once again, I do like this 739 level, but things can get nasty too. I see something down here at what is it? I'm like, I see the size of the wall. Good thing is, even if we start coming up, like we should still be able to like get in late and still benefit from it trying to come back. Hey Timothy, good morning family. All right, so yeah, moving on down some more. Let me see what these options are looking like again. Make sure, okay, yeah, I'm in the right account. Okay, that's the delta. Okay. See what the dollar's doing here. Also watching the dollar. Let me take the dollar to 15. Okay. So the SPY is almost at that trend line. But honestly, I want to see it get to 739.36. Yeah, put wall on is gamma exposure on Mumu. If you haven't seen the video, now's not the best time, but there's a video I made about gamma exposure. I think it's like one of my last 3. And oh, hold up, we got the dollar starting to drop. Okay. Can we get a little more drop on this SPY? It's like I want it now, but I also don't want to like hop in too early and chase. It's like they're doing like, it's better I get in late than just completely get wiped out. But it's looking like this situation is getting better. But we're still moving down at the same time. But yeah, dollar's starting to like lead the other way. But we're still on the first candle, so you know it doesn't necessarily mean anything yet. And Tenovia, actually, to take another attempt at answering your question, so a put wall that means there are a lot of puts at that level. So say SPY puts there are a lot of people holding $740 strike SPY puts. So if it goes below that, a lot more people are in a much more profitable position, and the market makers don't necessarily love putting people that aren't them in profitable positions. All right, see a little possible like kind of sideways action here. A little, I guess maybe trying to normalize. You said OMG puts are, oh yeah. That's what happens when you volatility. Yeah, everything's expensive. Yeah. That's another reason to be careful. Yeah, it's like whenever the VIX goes up, yeah, options contracts are going to be more expensive. Calls are a bit pricier too. But hey, it's just one of those things. Macy Mayo, good morning. Hey, Tenovio, very welcome, very welcome. I'm glad I could help you understand a little bit. Sorry if it seemed like not sorry, but yeah, don't want you to feel like I was trying to like glaze over you or anything. Just like, yeah, like, don't want you to feel like your question doesn't matter. It matters. It's just sometimes I'm like, yo, focused on the task. Oh, I'm liking what I see on the dollar though. Just so y'all know, when I'm talking about the dollar, this one right here, the DXY, there is an inverse relationship on the dollar and like the majority of stocks. You know, they're making me want to pull it. They're making me want to pull it. But I'm gonna try to be a little patient. Still try to be a little patient. But yeah, it might be time. Might be time. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Take my little chance. All right, I grabbed a 745 SPY call 0 DT. I'll put that in the chat. I paid 89 cents per share. Might be a little early. Let me mark that real quick. I think it was about right here. Yeah, we'll find out. We'll see. Would love to see that come back up here, but we'll watch that. Just trying to make progress. Okay. SPY. 745 call, paid. $0.89 per share. It was 0 DT. There we go. All right, so up on the contract, up 11%. I'm gonna see if I can ride this and get some kind of trend. I'm gonna watch the dollar. Wait, Monica said, out of town. Hey, enjoy your vacation. SoFi is selling off along with the market. It's not just SoFi. It's the whole market. I think Trump said something about like he was talking about tariffs again. Some stuff like that. So it kind of spooked the market. But y'all, it's like I'm in here. We have not confirmed that this trade is any good yet. And now it's trying to move down. Oh, AMD selling down harder. But I'm still seeing the dollar drop. So I'm like semi comfortable. And good morning. So where do you get info on the put walls and gamma exposure? Here. So I got a video. I'm gonna post a link. It shows you exactly where. I can't show you exactly here just because I don't have the stream linked up to show you. But I do show it in the video. Yeah, I posted it 3 weeks ago. It's on Mumu, and it's free. So here, I'm gonna post a link. That video right there will show you how to do it. All right, so we're selling down some more. I think I'm good to ride this as low as, or maybe a little below that. We'll see. Below that, I'm like, oh shoosh. But now we just kind of wait, see if I blew up this account or if it does a thing. Yesterday on our live stream, I took a trade. It looked like all hope was lost. But later in the day after the stream was over, hey, trade came alive. It did what it was supposed to do. Unfortunately, we can't like be here the whole time. You said shout out any good levels to grab a call on SoFi. Honestly, SoFi, I don't have anything until like almost $15. Like, yeah, I would say like $15, $14.94. That's the next level I would look at it, because SoFi is in a downtrend, and that's where the demand zone is. So until SoFi comes down to 15, I wouldn't really buy heavy. If you're like dollar cost averaging into it, like that's one I dollar cost average into every day. I would still continue to do that, but big buys, yeah, until it's like from this 13 or like from this $14 to $15 area, I wouldn't go bigger on it personally, because it can still continue to fall down. All right, so as of right now, we're still riding this trend down. I'm going down more on this contract. Let's see where it's priced. I'm down 20%, so not like too terrible. All right, let's see where the PCE is. We should get a read on that in a second. We got like, oh, trying to come back up a little bit. Gato, good morning. You said, am I in a, yeah, I'm in a SPY 745 call, 0 DT. I paid 89 cents a share. It's currently 87 cents a share. So it's cheaper than when I bought it right now. It looks like it may be coming back. Yeah, it's probably in the green now. Yeah, it's probably in the green. Let's see. Yeah, it's up $1. It's up $1. All right, I'm liking what I see a little bit more now. Let's see if we can get some green Heiken Ashy candles going. All right, it's up 11%. Oh, now it's up 9. Oh, and these landscapers back at it again. They're not even in my yard yet, but they're here. Paper trading versus pulling the trigger on that AMD on this. Oh, that you actually grabbed that AMD I got yesterday? That was the first one you went for? Hey, I'm sorry about that, man. Yeah, I'm very sorry about that. That AMD is honestly, that should have come with context. That's partially my fault. I put anything over, like I try to share anything I do that is not same day, and I knew that one would be a swing, but honestly that should have had context, like, oh, this is a very high risk trade. Like, it should have come with something like, this is either going to print like crazy or it's gonna fall through oblivion, because the level I got it at was, yo, it was crisp. And it was up, like coming into close, but nah, yeah, that one, I feel you on the hurt. I feel you on the hurt. Hey, Mr. Skatebox, we might have to reconcile somehow next week. All right, so that not AMD, SPY call up like 18%. 19%. All right, so let's see like where this the Heiken Ashy takes us. Also see if we can get the dollar keep moving. That's like that could be a nice little boost for the account. It's up 24%. Honestly, good point to take profit as well. All right, tested that 5-minute low. Grab the AMD call. You just got, hey, good stuff, Ken. Good stuff. I was really like thinking, yo, we got that great setup on AMD, and I was thinking, hey, that thing gonna rock it up, but nah, it's honestly it's not too late. Crazy as it is to say, but yeah, I don't have much hope for the AMD. I still have it, but yeah, that's I'm gonna call AMD a fallen soldier right now. That's why I haven't been swinging too much lately. You said yes, landscaper is very consistent on Friday. I mean, it's good. It's good. Like consistency in what you do, good. But it's like yo, they used to come like twice a week. Now they come once a week, and it just happens to be on Friday. Like at first, there was a point when it seemed like they came like almost every day. I'm like, yo, they're here again. But yo, it is what it is. All right, so we're up 26.97, 28% on the contract. And we still got the dollar dropping. Got some buying pressure coming in. All right, so we're up 28% on the contract. Yeah, I'm just trying to ride this trend right here. If we can get through this 48 EMA, I'll feel even better. I do like to see the dollar coming down. That's a good look. Market maker, when I saw your AMD call, I went for SPY because it was cheaper. Hey, okay. Hey, cool. Hey, the SPY is doing better. Yeah, it's like in times like this, I would rather like play smaller, cheaper plays. I just thought AMD. I'm like, oh yeah, this thing taking a beating. All right, so up, it was just up like 40%. Pull it back, up 34%. Let's see if we can keep moving. Yeah, just trying to ride this trend right. Did I? No, I didn't buy over there. Hold up. What time I buy in? Hold up, let me see what time I picked this contract up to make this more accurate. 8:40. I think it was like right here. Yeah. There we go. All right, so up 37% on the contract. See if we can get the trend going. Oh yeah, we still got that dollar dropping. Come on, bring it down. Bro, I wanted to go back where it came from. I wanted to go over here. That'd be a nice little move. We get a nice little run up. Took 27.90 profit. Hey, good stuff, family. Love to hear it. All right, so we're at this 13 EMA. Watch out right here. About what is it? About $1.40 from being in the money. That'd be cool. Be nice if we could ride the pre-market high. That'd be cool. Apple dethrones Nvidia as the world's most valuable company. Wow. All right, so up 50% on the contracts. Still got the dollar dropping. All right, so we're about $1.13 from the money. Yeah, it would be so nice if we can make it to the money. Okay, we're about $1 away, up 60%. All right. Gonna slide that on somewhere. Up 67%. Still got that dollar moving. Take a quick look at Netflix. Got an alert about them. Oh no, they're still not to my level yet. They're at like 66.40. I think I start taking interest around like $58 on Netflix. All right, still stringing the Heiken Ashies for now. But a little pullback on these contracts a little bit. Up like 43%. But yeah, watching these Heiken Ashies to see what they want to do. Still like to see the dollar pulling back. About like 80 cents or so from the money. Up 70%. You know what? Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and slide out right there. All right, so I'm out at 146 per share. I know the hiking ashies were going, but I wanted to get out of the trade. Wait, hold on. Let me update y'all real quick. Let y'all know the situation. Let y'all. All right, so took 64% profit on it. I got out because I was like, yo, how far can this thing go? I think it can run today. But also, like, I started having these kind of like intrusive thoughts. I started thinking things like, oh, what if I did this challenge in like 3 weeks instead of like 9? And I was like, oh, how would that look? I'm like, oh, like, I'm just thinking about like, I started thinking about all the times that it continued to run and how good the trade would have been if I was doing it. I'm like, nah, I'm getting greedy. I'm like, I can feel the greed entering my body. I'm like, I need to get out of this trade just to remain consistent. So yeah, that is going to be it for the 100 to 1K. I'm still here. I still like could potentially take something. I still have a AMD trade I'm monitoring too. But also, yeah, I could look and still like watch this trade and see where it like actually goes. So I hopped out over here on this candle. So yeah, it's about a $2. Yeah, just like a $2 move. Even in this environment, still with 70% or 64%. Sherry got out at 120. Hey, $34 profit. Good stuff. Hey, Spy at 61. Hey, good stuff. Patrick, good morning. 40. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, and there goes some more. I just had to like think, hey, we're trying to move forward. Keep moving forward, keep showing the consistency, and keep it going. Let's take a quick look at the account. Wait, where is it? Let me try to pull it up before we kind of look on to the next and see what else is out there. Also, shoot, let me look at that contract. Let me see how it's doing. Was it 75? Okay, it's worth 155 now. That's cool. Definitely riding with you when you start again. Oh, I started today. Today was the start. All right, so yeah, looking at the account. Oh wait, hold up, it's running. It's running. Hold up, I'll shop. We'll look at the account in a second. Y'all, I was gonna ride to like I was looking to ride to like this up here, like I guess wherever this 200 moving average is, 75.05. So I kind of want to see what it would have been whenever gets there. It's a little bit away. That contract's worth 165 right now. What I buy it for? I bought it for like 89. Hold up. Oh yeah, that's probably about like. Wait, hold up. Let's see. Yeah, it's like 90 something percent right now. Yeah, that would have been 100%er. That's cool. Malik Mills, you said blessings as well. It says round two. What do you mean by when you say it says round two? What do you mean by that? You said I'm definitely riding with you when you start again. I definitely appreciate it. You said blessings as well. It says round two. If you're talking about the video, here, let me see. Let me show you. All right, so if you look at the title of the video, it's the thumbnail changed a little bit from last week. Hold on, did we? Okay, so we hit it. We hit it. All right, so yeah, that would have been 100%er if I rode that extra bit, but I'm not tripping. All right, so real quick, just to hey, good stuff, Alex. Real quick, so yeah, we're going back to the high, but real quick. Oh, also want to say like this dollar, the dollar is falling. If this continues to fall, like we will likely continue to run. Like just know that like we might come fill this gap. Like don't be surprised if that happens. But real quick, I want to like check in. So we got the account. This is the new account. This is where we're at today. This is how I started. It pulled back to I guess like 78 or whatever. Hey, this is where we closed out today. Now don't be mistaken. This is the same account we ran it up on. So like now it's just I've already pulled $1,274.67 out of the account, and we're back doing it again. So yeah, over here got it back to 100, and we're up. This account overall up like 1431, and we're yet to take any L's on this account. All right, hold up. I'm curious how that Here, let's go. Let's see. Landscaper's getting closer. Hey, those calls are 215. Bro, those intrusive thoughts. Yo, I definitely still be riding because these hiking ashies are going, but do see a little red on the dollar, so this could be a good spot to look for a turnaround. I might also say like maybe right here if we push a little past and come up to this 48 EMA. So yeah, either like right here, or if we see this hiking ashy flatten out, watch out. The microverse real. Why not a 1K to 10K challenge? Uh, Anybody can do a 1K to 10K challenge. I'm using a 100 to 1K challenge to make it accessible. I'm trying to use accessible numbers. I'm trying to show people this is possible. A lot of people want to rush in and use larger amounts of money, but they haven't taken the time to play with less, so they don't know what they're doing. So I think this is much more attainable to people, and I really just want to show people it's possible, and I don't want people to hurt. I don't want people to, well, people are going to hurt. You need to hurt. But I don't want people to have this terrible taste in their mouth from trading where it's like, yo, I'll never do that again. And it's like, yeah, so it's like if I'm doing 100 to 1K, there is nothing from stopping you from 10xing the trade that I take. So it's like I grabbed one contract and I paid 89 cents for it. You could grab 10 and pay 8.90 and you would have been up 70%. So it's like, or 64%. So it's like it could be a 1K to 10K challenge. It really just depends on what you're doing. And then also, I currently have a $500, like a $500 to $71,000 challenge going. Pull it up real quick, show y'all our progress. So we did the first week this week, and just to show you, you can put your starting amount here, whatever your weekly target is for the 500 to 71K. We're targeting 10% a week. But this is a marathon, so yo, it's going 52 weeks. The final week we're going for like 60, just below $6,500 that week. But you can see each week is honestly a manageable increase over the next. So it's to help you build consistency, and also like by the time you're doing that, I know for a fact I've never made 6,500 in a month at a regular job that I had. So, here, let's see. All right, so we're still moving up once again. So we came back to pre-market resistance. Don't get actually, yo, the dollar's still dropping. We might keep going. Yo. But here, let's see. Do I do the challenge on YouTube every Friday? Yeah, so we just did the challenge like the last 9 weeks, and then last week y'all said let's do it again. So I was like, okay. So as of right now, yeah, it's gonna be on Fridays. Daddy Lank. Feel weird calling another man daddy, but it is what it is. Turned 100 into 3K in 1 month and lost 400 today at. Hey, it be like that. We gotta. Oh, you probably swung. That's why, like, I swung something and it did not go well, or it hasn't been, but it looks like, yo, it could possibly go crazy. I don't know. We'll have to check in on that. Elite definitely need the 100 to 1K challenge. Very welcome, Daphlin. Yeah, right now it could take off and go crazy. Once again, I would still watch out for where we are. Like we could reverse. But as of right now, it's like ideally you're still riding. Like if you're in a play to the upside, this isn't where I would enter a trade. Like I would consider a reversal here. But also I'd say it's not the wisest to go for a reversal. Actually, it could be, depending on how you're trading. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see us like hit 750 either. All right. Will be a good idea to make a video on how to. I have a video, like that's the one I posted a few minutes ago. Yeah, that video on the gamma wall. Look, let me show y'all. Right here on my channel. This channel right here. If y'all go look at my videos. This video 3 weeks ago. How to see gamma exposure for free. Most traders can't. Yeah, if you're not trading on Moomoo, you can't do it for free. But yeah, I explained that stuff. It's a 6-minute video. Yeah, it's packed with value. Like, why y'all be asking me for stuff that's like, yo, it's right there. Just go look on the page. Hey, if you're not already, I would highly recommend making sure you have that bell notification icon pressed like beside the subscribe button on my channel, so you actually know when I post stuff. YouTube does not share my stuff. Emerald, so excited I just found this channel. Hey, appreciate you, Emerald. Oh, Tony, are you talking about the link to that little spreadsheet? Okay, we might be reversing it. Might It's still too early to call. It's still too early to call, but yeah, the link to the challenge here. I'll drop that real quick. There, just dropped it in the chat. You said this is killing me. Why did I get out so early? Hey, cause you're not greedy. That's it. So, I think it's cool y'all are all taking the challenge with me, but it's important that y'all know why I am doing it too. So like whenever y'all see me post the recaps and I'm talking about why I took the trade or like why I wrote it to this point, I didn't get out because I thought the trade was done. I got out because I felt myself getting greedy. I felt myself getting excited. I felt myself like getting to a point where I started thinking about how y'all would look at me and how people would put me on a pedestal. And I'm like, no, let me remain humble. Let me keep myself in check, and let's get out. It's like I want to show reality, things I think can be followed and done, even if you haven't been trading for 7 years. So it's like I want to show something that can be done, but like this right here, this it's like after you're in a trade comfortably and you see a trend like this on the Heiken Ashes, honestly, other than my greed, there hasn't been like a reason to just get out. Like other than hitting targets, it's like if I had multiple contracts, I probably would have cut out of some, but I would definitely still be riding a runner because, bro, look at this. We're just running. Like until this stops, like till you stop getting green candles on this, bro. Honestly, like this is a 2-minute chart. Like ideally, you just ride that. You said how many lives a week do I do? To the public, it's just Friday. FreedomCharts every day. Be the first couple hours of market open. I think the past couple streams have been kind of weird. It's like, bro, the trades ended up making money, but we didn't get to see it on stream. It's very annoying because it kind of like at the end of the streams, I felt like very incomplete. Not to mention, like yesterday, the trade I was looking at, bro, it made bank, but I made like $1 on it because I had to go somewhere and I didn't want to watch the trade. So I was like, yo, it came back. Let me get out at break even. It ended up just because I had 3 contracts and I made like $1 on it. But no, that contract, like, bro, that should have been at least $600. I was like, man, is Intel 100 call expired? I don't know. If it gets you to where you're trying to go, it can be. Honestly, that might be something to ask ChatGPT. Hey, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I qualified to give financial advice. I can help you read the charts or like help clarify things in the charts, but legally I can't just be like, oh, yeah, that's a good trade. I legally cannot do that. I don't know how. Like first off, but I can. Like if you want to ask me something about the charts, if you see something and you're like, oh, do I see this too? It's like I might. But yeah, I'm legally not in the position to do that. I don't have the education to do that. Hey, Spring Kids, good morning. What do you think about SoFi for a call? So I'm averaging into SoFi. SoFi appears to be coming up, but I personally don't I'm not looking at any calls on it until it's like at least at 15. So I would say it depends on what you're targeting, but I don't like SoFi unless I think it's going to move more than a couple dollars. So it's like that. 10 to 100. Oh no, nah, that's too tough. There was a point in time like I used to be able to do like $50 challenges, but just with inflation and whatnot, it's things have changed. It's like I can get good contracts I'm confident in around 70 cents. Sometimes, like if it's not a day like today, I can probably find some around like 44, $45. But if I started that challenge today, bro, I could not have confidently found a contract. It's like we'd have to be trading at the end of the day when things are sketchy, and it's like the market makers or the brokerages sell you out on their own. Yolis, good morning. Lavenderella, good morning. Very welcome, Tony Math. Got greedy previously, and hey, I know how you feel, Lavenderella. It's like that was very much so me. And honestly, I did it like a couple of weeks ago on Friday with like that Apple trade. I want to understand when to get out. Down 45% on CoreWeave. When would it be? So the thing about CoreWeave is there's no history with it. So like, where is it? So CoreWeave, this is. Oh, I guess there is. So you can see I have a level on CoreWeave at 34.59. So that's when I take interest in CoreWeave. So I guess yeah, CoreWeave's been around long enough to do it, but it's like I take interest in CoreWeave around 39.59. Hey y'all, my AMD might have a chance. My AMD might have a chance. But yeah, CoreWeave next support is gonna be around like let's say around like $65 or so. Or I'm looking on the weekly though, but that's a big support. Then below that, there's like nothing major until like maybe like 50, maybe like a little below $50. But yeah, CoreWeave, I like it around like 35. I know that sounds crazy, but there will likely be a point in time when it comes back to that. So it's like I like to set crazy levels on things, and then they hit at some point, and oh shoot, AMD back to hey. There's a reason I held that. Let me see how that AMD is doing. Hold up, yo, jump into a different account. Where is that at? Let's see. All right, I'm still down fat on it. But bro, that's insane. Bro, this thing was at 7 cents and now it's at 89 cents. I paid 343 for it. But hey. Hey, we gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. So that's what I'm riding with. I'm in an AMD call right now. Let me see. We still got the dollar dropping. Yo, let it drop. Let it drop. Honestly, I encourage most of y'all to like call it a day and pack it up. Like if y'all took that SPY trade, I think sitting here might upset y'all. Cause I would not be surprised if it decides to go fill in that gap. All right, let's see. Hey, let's get the likes up, family. Hey, thank you, Ken. Thank you. Yeah, we got 108 people. We got 51 likes. Hey, that's a lot of people here just chilling in my house. I don't know whether y'all are friends or foes. Hey, I might need to, close this. Hey, smash the like button, family. Hey, Jaden, good morning, good morning. No, yeah, the greed does hit hard. I think that is, like, that's exactly why I closed my trade. Because I know it's like I know it could go higher, but it's like if I'm like, oh, this happened, this trade, then I'm looking at the next trade. I'm like, oh, what if it's like this trade again, and it wasn't quite the same? The greed kind of carries over. But if I cut the greed before, it just goes on. Hey, appreciate y'all. Hey, smashing that like button, family. Debbie, good morning. How do I feel about calendar? Honestly, I'm not knowledgeable on calendar spreads. If I'm being real, I've never taken one. I've seen the calendar spread, but because I know how to like trade, I would rather personally just either trade options or like trade options or like strategically trade like leaps. I can see like what levels are the most optimal to catch the biggest move. So I don't even know like what the objective of a calendar spread is. I don't know if it's like a, hey, you profit by time going down, or if you profit by like large movement. But like I think I profit by movement. I know how to profit by movement, so I'm gonna leverage that if it's something that I'm like doing. Whereas like some people will take things and it's like, okay, this amount of time needs to run out. It's like the way I have learned, I know how to capitalize off large movement. I know how to find inefficiencies. So it's like, I took like 4 years of L's, like solid L's, like over $50,000 of loss. That's insane. Over $50,000 of L's to get to a point where it's like, I can like in a sense print money. It's like I still take L's, but we move a lot more forward now than we used to. Like, so it's leveled out. Let's see. Have I seen CXT? Nah, I don't even know what CXT is. I got inspired, call late. Hey, still riding? Hey, you probably doing good. I will say with the SPY thing, the dollar looks good, but sometimes the market makers be playing games. Like we're consolidating here, so sometimes it's like you can get so much move during the day, but then they're like, oh, all right, that's enough move. We're going to have to pause it out because that's too much people making money. And then you'll see the move after hours. So I just do want to call out, like we do have sideways movement now. So if I was riding that last one, like if I had multiple contracts and I was like riding, I would, like I personally would have cut out here now. So we got that 48 on the 15th, 48 EMA as well as like the sideways consolidation. I would be done. Let's see. M-Sense was 50th. Hey, appreciate you, M-Sense. Up $40. Could use more at work. Hey, bro, you getting that work while you at work though. Bro, who gives money like you, bro? Who gives money like you? Tell me. Bro, your coworkers probably don't even know what's up. You out there, you're working, and then they probably earn it. Hey, they could be earning. Let's say you earning like $20 an hour, right? Bro, you just made a extra 40 on top of that. Bro, they're not messing with you. God bless you. I'm looking for it. Hey, come on, family. I know you told me about this. What was it? The past month? I think it would be a lot cheaper. Yeah, definitely think I think you would I think for you for what you told me, I personally think it would be a worthwhile investment with the numbers you told me. For real. Cuz I don't use anywhere near that amount, but I bring in more. How do you get over any doubt you might have once you found your bias and trade you want to make? So honestly, when it comes to getting good, or when it comes to let's not even necessarily say getting good, because it's like I still take L's. Um, when it comes to gaining confidence, I want you to like first off look at the trades that you almost take. There was probably a reason you almost took it, and maybe you didn't have the confidence to take it. Confidence comes from like kind of repetition. So the more you practice something, the more you see something, a setup and whatnot, the more confident you're going to be. So like you find your setups or find your things that you're practicing, try to see them more, test them more. You'll gain confidence in them. And it's like if you're used to the candles moving a certain way, cool. Make sure you're watching an option contract and say realistically, oh, which contract would I have grabbed in this situation, or which one, based on the budget I like to use, would I be likely to grab? And maybe you don't grab it at first, but maybe it's like okay, yeah, I grab it. Another video I would highly recommend if you don't know how to grab options contracts. So it's gonna be my video is called "Hack for Finding the Perfect Option Strike Price." That one's a gold in my opinion. Never seen another video like it. So yeah, that's almost 10K a year. Wait, hold up. All right, go show. Um, how do you read the Hike and Ashi? On the cool, I still need to make a video over it. But Hike and Ashi, so Hike and Ashi is kind of momentum. So it's like while you see the green, yo, the trend is up. While you see the red, the trend is down. Like these candles don't perfectly translate with the SPY. They're meant to show momentum, and you also they're only of any value on the smaller time frame. So like 1 minute, 2 minute, I think possibly 5. I'm not sure, but yeah, you want to be on a smaller time frame with them. So the hike can ask you there's value in like just showing you the momentum. So ideally, whenever you see them slow down or whenever you see it flatten out like this, you get out. So yeah, they're more of like a I guess day trading strategy. But since I've been on live streams more, since I'm here in front of the charts, I've been here. And I don't know if he's on today, but Henry kind of like mentioned them to me. And then one day on stream, and this was probably like some months ago, like earlier this year, he mentioned them to me, and I legit like I told ChatGPT, I was like, explain Hike and Ashy candles to me like I'm a fifth grader, and they did, and I was like, oh okay, and then like I just put this right here next to the SPY. I was like, oh yeah, I want to see how it moves compared, and it's like after I started watching, I'm like, oh, it is like that. So once again, I kind of just watched this before I noticed like, oh, it moves a certain way, and it has kind of done that consistently. So that's how I gained my confidence. But yeah, these are just momentum indicators. So it's like, oh, you get in, like you see green, all right, maybe you see like it's flat right here, you see the green, and it's like okay, maybe it looks like it's starting to move. You get in, and then you just ride it, and then when it stops, hey, you out of that thing. All right, so, yo, I might go for a put here. I don't know. Hey, we look like we might be trying to come up. I don't know. Do I want to put? I feel like I might be stretched. I feel like I might just be trying to go for stuff. Like I see we're at the 13 EM. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm not sure I'm gonna do anything. I think I'm chilling. Okay, I'm gonna sell out of that AMD. It's kind of dying on the cool. Watch, it's gonna end up still going crazy. But I sold out of it for 37 cents a share. Let me update that real quick. I always dislike that, but yeah, gotta keep it real. If you look at the ones that I share like on my like my Matthews trade alerts, hey, my trade alerts are garbage. Um, 100%. I'm gonna be real with you. These trade alerts are garbage because yeah, they've I think for the past at least the past month they've been L's. But if you're on the live stream, yo, we getting money. It's like the market turned and it's like all the swings I'm looking at. Unless you get a lot of time, yeah, like my one day to the next swings, they're bad. Here, let's see. Just took an L on AMD. Let's see. There we go. Out at 37 per share. All right, so I'm not going to. I'm just taking my chance here. No. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch this 13 EMA on the 2 minute. If we start coming below this, I might try to go for a small put. Let's see. Ooh. Bro. Oh, okay. Dollar's trying to come back down. Okay. Yeah, they might have got me. All right, let's see. Watching the Qs and Apple, they've been paying me or leaving me behind lately. Well, Apple just wants to go up right now, and the Qs is all like the memory right now. So yeah, they're my thoughts are, yo, trade with the trend because Apple is so strong that it hit new highs today, and then the Qs are so strong that it's like just sold off further than I thought it would sell off. My John was delayed. Getting my 100 ready for next week. Appreciate you, family. Oh yeah, have to. I've been humbled so much where hold on. Let's see what we got here. All right, so here all right, so I grabbed a. I wanna preface and say like this is a small trade. This is a Friday fun trade. It can be something, but I grabbed a SPY 742 put that expires today, and I paid 52 cents a share. Yeah, I'm a try to act on the hike and ashes. See what can happen, cause what I'm looking at is we're still crossed to the downside pretty strong. And it's like on days like this, you will see some massive swings. We never came for this 739 level. Like we actually didn't hit this trend line that we came close to earlier either. So I could see us moving down. So I want to see what if anything happens with that. And I'm gonna say like, yo, if we get back below what like 70 or 744.50 or anything like that, yo, good chance we're coming down pretty hard. We might hit a new low. Tiger season. I'm gonna be on your level one day, bro. Hey, let's go. Hey, I want to get all y'all to my level. Um, and then like say y'all are on my level. I want to be at a higher level at that point. But yeah, I want all y'all to be on the same level. I originally got on YouTube because, well, first I dropped out of nursing school and I was like, yo, I finally don't care what people think. And I was like, oh, this feels like a pretty low time in my life. So yeah, I don't care. I've low key always wanted to do YouTube. So that's why I got on YouTube. But I've also got on YouTube because like when I dropped out of nursing school, it's like the stuff I was into, there was the people around me were not into those things. So I got on YouTube to make friends. I got on YouTube to kind of form a community. So it's like, yeah, I would love for all y'all to kind of be thriving, all the people around me that I am interacting with to be thriving and like really have some kind of like nice network going. 100K to 1 mil. AI Malik, I gotta say personally, like I have been in some very very high net worth rooms, and I'm gonna say like personally, like after like my cash gets to a certain level, like let's say I have 100K, like 100K just like liquid, I would probably rather have that invested and maybe trade with like 10K options wise. Like for instance, right here on the snowball challenge, bro, when the account's at 65K, I'm not using 65K to make 6,500. Bro, I might be using like $10,000 worth of the account. So it's like over a certain amount, I'm having my money either in like something more stable or some stock that I think that's going to grow. But oh, hold up, yo, it's trying to turn around. But we'll see. But yeah, it's like I feel like once I'm at numbers like 100K to 1 mil, yeah, I'm not trading like 100K in options unless my net worth is like 10K or 10 mil. And if my net worth is like 10 mil, bro, I'm on here trading options the same way I am now. It's like it's for fun. Love how I don't do this for views. I do it for people. Hey, don't get me wrong. I like views. Hey, view me up, family. Like, it's a little bit of both. I'd be lying if I said like, hey, I don't also do this for me. I guess it's not necessarily views, but it's like, yo, if you can learn anything, like attention is currency. I think this is the currency of like the future, the currency of now. So there is a little bit of selfishness to it, but I truly I don't I'm like I'm not trying to like be greedy, but it's like I think I am the best case selfish person, like the most loving and caring selfish person you could probably deal with. So it's like I will put myself before you, but the reason I do that and something that I struggle with for the longest is like I want to do a lot for my family and my community. And it's like, yo, I would try to help people before I help myself, but you need to get yourself to a position where you're okay so you can actually fully help the people you want to help. And it's like once I realize that, it's like, all right, I need to look out for myself first. And it's like, yo, I will be at a level where it's like it'll seem like I'm like way up here and it seems like, yo, I'm greedy, but it's like, yo, in reality it was for these people, but I had to like get myself right first. Apple charging back, hey. All right, it's trying. We'll see. So right here, notice we got this kind of sideways consolidation. Um, we could go up. Hey, we're just trying to. Here, let me actually look at the gamma exposure. Let's see what it's showing. I'm kind of still 50-50 about which way we're. All right, so there's a big call wall. Ooh, we're below the gamma flip. Things could still get nasty to the downside, but there's also a mega put wall at 750. So we could push back up. I don't know. It's like we're really in anything can happen territory as the way that the gamma is set up or gamma exposure. So not going to look to that too much. Bro, the market makers, they know what they're doing right now. Do I think it's worth holding? I think there's a possibility. I like right now things are still down, but it's possible. Like we're in a gap, possibly trying to fill it, but ever since we got above this pre-market high, we haven't exactly confirmed yet. So it's like I would personally, I would want to see confirmation before I say like yes, but like there is enough going around to have me like, I don't know. It's like honestly, you could go 50-50 either way, and I could see them both like paying massively. But I could also see it like, yo, if the market just wanted to like stay at this level today, like stay where it is in this little range, I could very much see that too. The dollar's kind of slowed down. Like the things that make it easy for me to say, oh yeah, this is easy money. I already know now. All right, hold up. Got out of the calls. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Watch it bounce on that pre-market. Hey, it might. It might. Hey, I put in a amount of money that it's like I'll sleep, rest easy. Let's see. My son is a registered nurse. Hey, that's what's up, Osama. My mom and brother retired. Hey, my dad was. So my dad did. I got into nursing school and dropped out. And yeah, got on YouTube and worked. Or in that time I worked at Best Buy. And Best Buy was cool until it wasn't. Like I liked working at Best Buy, and then it's like nah, yeah, they're trying to like push too much now. I'm like, yeah, I think it's my time to go. And then I started working at Amazon. Bro, everybody was so negative at Amazon, but at the time it was good money. It was good money. And then I started doing the Amazon deliveries, and I'm like, I'm like, whoa, this truck, man, bro, it's hot back here. But that was just for a couple months anyway. I'm a MP and I try to work 2 days a month. Bro, you ain't balling. Okay, hey, good stuff. Hey, hit the like button. Appreciate that, Travis. Hop in the spy put paid 40. I notice gurus like yourself don't grab the bottom, so I buy my put orders lower sometimes. Hey, I try to grab the bottom, but also I try not to get left too. So it's like, hey, it is what it is. I honestly, like when I call out a number, I always hope that y'all get a better number than me. And then I also know there's probably like a 5 to 10 second delay on the stream from what I say versus when you hear it. So I just try to like say it fast enough before it just completely changes. It just consolidates here in the Greeks feet. Hey, for real. It looks I don't know, like the dollar's coming down. Like the chart, the candles for the SPY and stuff looks like it could be getting ready to come down, but Oh, here, let's turn on that 9 EMA on the 15. Let's see. We're still above that, so yeah, let's see if we can get it below like 744. Here, I'm gonna say that first level I said 744.50. It's like if we get below that, we can still I could see us like doing it. But yeah, we're retesting pre-market high. It's at currently as a support. TDW, can I explain gamma exposure? So pretty much there are levels where there are a lot of call orders or put orders. And those levels here, so here, look. This video on my channel right here, this how to see gamma exposure, it's like a 6-minute video. I'm gonna say highly recommend watching that. I'll paste the link in the chat again. But I would say that explains it better. Here, let's get back to the chart. But yeah, that'll be better because there's a visual. But yeah, there's a gamma flip. There's positive gamma. There's negative gamma. And can't really say. Long time, brother. Happy to see you still going. Hey, trying my best. The equalizer. Hold up. Yeah, trying my best. Taking some breaks here or there. Like, I think in April I was in where was it? I was in like Spain and Hungary, and did I go somewhere else? I was in Spain. I was in Hungary. I think it might have just been Spain and Hungary. Then I got like I'm going Wyoming in a couple weeks. I don't even know like what dates. I don't fully know what the stream's gonna look like for that. We might go offline for like a week on the cool. Like we might have to like pause a week. Cause I'm not trying to just take bad trades just cause I'm moving and busy. Like it's better to move sideways than to move backwards. Okay, so here, let's see. SPY is moving down, but the dollar's moving down, so that might tell us like maybe we make a new low. I'm just speculating right now, but maybe we make a new low. We're a good amount away from the low, so let me hold off for now. But if we were to do something like that, maybe we came and did that, and then boom, we take off and we move higher. Because this dollar is moving lower, but I guess time will tell. Dislike getting left. I got left for $5 and that thing. Yeah, I know what that's like. Appreciate you, the equalizer. Alright, so right now that pre-market resistance holding up its support, dollar moving down. Honestly, what's being shown is bullish. Bro, we're gonna get to the end of the day. I'm gonna be like, I should have held on to the AMD, but it is what it is. I'm gonna still sleep and rest easy. You said, do I trade when I go abroad? Sometimes. Like it depends on like if it's up to me, bro, something I want to do, I want to like go to Japan or something for like a month. But if I'm in charge of the vacation and I have like the time and everything like kind of set up, there's going to be a lot of downtime, like sitting like lounging around, so ideally, yeah, there would be time for that. Like, cause it's like these streams. It's like maybe they're not like 2 hours. Yeah, tomorrow I'm in the spy put. Honestly, I wouldn't count on it going crazy or anything. Like I want to let you know I'm completely okay with that expiring worthless. Like the objective's a little different. So that spy put it's more of a fun spy put. Like I was serious about the first contract I grabbed. This one was more like like hey, there's this possibility, and it's like I could see it play out. Like it'd be a good point, but it's not like something that I'm like so sure of. But yeah, I'm still in it. I'll probably just like hang on to it. Might check back in like a couple hours before market close. Hey, top of the morning, D Scurv. Hey, you said, hey, what did drop yesterday, bro? Y'all should have seen the overnight, bro. I saw like, oh well, actually, I guess you can see the overnight because yeah, we had dropped down. Yeah, I saw AMD at like 475 last night. I'm like, bro, I'm like, man, I just grabbed that call. And honestly, it's not even like if it were just me, it's like, yo, it is what it is. But it's like whenever I share it, I'm like, I feel bad, you know, because it's like I can absorb it, but um, so it's like I feel bad because I didn't give as much context. I just put it there, and I know like not everybody just knows like all my tendencies, like all the new people. Okay, let's see. So zero DT. I got zero DT. So I'm gonna say like right now with the market environment and my attention to the news, bro, swings have not been doing good for me at all. Every time I try to get one, it like it's failed. Over I would say over like the past couple months for me personally. But yeah, like all the live streams, like the stuff that I can sit and watch since I'm here at the charts, that's what's been doing well for me right now. There was a gap between aftermarket and pre-market. Why? Um, so I think Trump said something about some tariffs and spooked the market once again. So yeah, we got a pretty fat gap. That is, I believe that is why. Most of the time I see it, I don't really concern myself too heavily with the why, but yeah, with the size of that, I was like, yo, what's going on? And that's kind of what I saw. I saw something like that, and I also saw Trump in his address. He was saying stuff about elections. I don't think the stuff about the elections really had the effect though. I saw the overnight on Spy Out's $14 drop. How much is Spy down now? Oh, okay, it's down like 5. You said 14 from. Oh yeah, I guess that's about right. It's pretty close. That would be, bro. Yeah, I saw some numbers where I was like, man, it's like part of me was licking my fingers. I'm like, oh, I was like, what stocks do I want to buy? I was seeing some things where I was like, oh, I'm like, these things are getting to some levels. Like, I think one was like some of the quantum. I'm like, oh, we're getting kind of nice again. Like, I think. Wait, where am I typing right now? Like Rigetti. I was like, oh, okay. Shoot, it's almost to the 200 weekly average. I mean, I have something for like 593, so I was like, that's why I didn't go for it. And then Ion Q, I'm like, okay, these numbers are starting to get manageable again. I'm like, yeah. I still have something for like 18 for them, but I'm like, yo, let's go. All right, we got the dollar trying to like show up again. And we're pulling back on the SPY. All right, let's see if we can get below this 248 EMA on the 2. See if we can, if gravity can do its thing. Yeah, swing's been bad lately. It's almost gotta be nah, for real. Yeah, it's like I'm just trying to pick up stuff at some low prices. That's all I'm doing. Yeah, just continue picking up at low prices. But yeah, hey, SPY trying to move down. I don't know. Let me look in on the contract. I don't even know how that's moving right now. If it is. Oh, I'm up like 15% on it. Okay. Hey, it's moving slow, but hey, it's cool. So I go live at market open. So depending on what time zone you're in, it's gonna be 8:30 Central Time, and Eastern Time it's 9:30, and then other time frames, yo, adjust accordingly. I'm in Texas, so. Ooh, that was almost bad. Al Malik, why is social media follows, or why social media followers are more important than making money? Um, I guess it depends on why the people are following you, but attention is worth a lot more than like if you're talking about just trading, bro. I got like a little Amazon influencer, and I got like another YouTube. Wait, hold on. Let me answer this question about the thing before I go into the off thing. Um, so I bought a I think 742 put. I wouldn't really expect much from it. Like I'm down like $1 on it now. I bought a 742 put and I paid 52 cents per share. I just grabbed something small just in case. Finally hit 100 shares of. Hey, nice. Yeah, you might ride it down some more. You might be able to average down some more, but I think in the long run, you probably do some damage with that. But yeah, going back to what we said about like the social media followers and all that, I don't really have like too many followers on Instagram or TikTok or anything. But it's like if you have any kind of audience or anything, it's like depending on what the audience is for, there are companies that want to they want to be seen. So if you can organically use their stuff, or even if you're just a good placement for them to put their ads, like if you see what companies pay to put their ads on TV, bro, they're paying like hundreds of thousands of dollars. So it's like if they can get in front of someone who converts well, like someone specifically for it, it's like you can target a lot better on YouTube or Facebook or anything than you can with like just a broad television ad. So it's like you have that, and then like also say you want to create something. If you create something, it's like you have an audience. It's like your audience, potentially someone to sell it to. You already have eyeballs on you, so it's like you don't have to pay for advertising. So there's kind of a lot there. It's like the stuff I do. Like, so say I have Amazon influencer. I don't go too crazy just saying like, yo, shop my storefront. Hey, but now we're talking about it. I'm gonna go ahead and say like, yo, if you're on Amazon, I'm gonna just drop that link right there. Should y'all be curious and want to look, yo, hey, look at my storefront. Y'all got any like products that y'all are like looking for? I have video reviews on my Amazon storefront, and I show how it actually works and how I use them and stuff. Hey, shameless plug. But it's like just because I can do stuff like that and have more eyeballs looking at that, bro. Somebody, y'all buy anything on Amazon after clicking and viewing that, I get paid. So it's like I get to have real valuable connection with people, and it's like if y'all are gonna shop on Amazon anyway, I get to like it's like I get to make money from our relationship without like forcing anything on you. So it's cool. So it's kind of like knowing what's possible or just being able to collect stuff that's going to be collected anyways. It's like, yo, why does Jeff Bezos need more money? I think he spent like over $100 million on his wedding, but it's like he's not going to miss it. It's like, yo, let some of that come my way. Let some of that come my way. It's cool. It's like, yo, we hold on, my mom sent me something. Let's see. But yeah, there's value in having followers and some sort of audience or getting attention and whatnot. Even if it's just like attention in person. Like it doesn't even necessarily need to be online. If you have the hearts of an audience, people are gonna try to use you for whatever. And you get optionality and whatnot. You say, yeah, that's my long-term play. I'd like to get into the wheel strategy. Hey, that's part of it. All right, so we're moving down a little bit more on the SPY. 744.72. I said if we can like confirm below 744.50 or so, yeah, we might be in business to the downside. We got the dollar like trying to tease back up. We'll see. But yeah, let's see if we can confirm here. Well, we got like 29 minutes left on the stream. Yeah, we might be able to see something. See how this trade is looking. Oh, it's up 36%. Okay. Hey, 42%. Oh, we'll take that. See if we can we get movement back to the low. So 744.42. Yeah, let's see if we can get these hiking ashies like stringing some red candles, not just like kind of like the 2 green, 2 red or whatever else. See if we can get it going. And you said SPY looking good for that put. Hey, let's go, yo. It's up 44%. Hey, the not greedy play would be to take profits here, but I don't. It's like I care about this, but I don't care about it as much if I'm being real. Like the 100 to 1K, it's like whenever I'm doing that, it's like I'm trying to prove a point. I'm trying to like show something. But this is a different account, so now we cooling. We're just trying to see what's possible. Where is it gonna go? It's like this is gonna be documented like, hey, it's on the live stream. But realistically, how many people are watching back 2-hour live streams where I'm just sitting at a desk and they are not live in the trade? So it's like it's documented, but it's not really documented. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do a recap of all these trades though. You said only took SPY. So I took a 745 call and I took a 742 put. Yeah, I took a 742 put. I don't think I typed it in the chat, but I did. Yeah, I grabbed a 742 put. Like, what was it? About 30 minutes ago, and I paid 52 cents a share. it's up like 44%. Bro, I hope, honestly, now at this point, I hope today gets nasty. Was it over here? Yeah, I bought it over here. $744.20. Yeah, because we never confirmed to the upside. And I guess that's still the case. Do I trade Tesla? Sometimes. I'm gonna be real. My best trades are on the SPY because it's like almost it's pretty much ready to go every day. Sometimes I'll trade Tesla, but I do better like swing trading Tesla. Like I'll say honestly, whenever y'all try to get me outside of what I'm already looking at, and if y'all try to get me to look at it, bro, that's when the bad trades come out on the cool. It's like on a like I don't know on something like a weekly Zoom call. It's like yo those. It's like charting it then. It's like yo I'll probably call out some mean levels, but it's like yo whenever I start looking at other stuff, bro, I lose my focus. I'm gonna say there's a lot of value in focus. I truly think I could run it up just doing the SPY, but I do think Tesla like is nice and there's good money to be there. Tesla is like the stock where I took my first true loss on in the market though. I think I lost like maybe like 4K on it. Up until that point, I probably had like a solid like three months or so where trading options when I first started was just like printing money. I didn't even try to like trade just to like I wasn't greedy. I was just like, bro, I would be like, yo, I need this. It's like, hey, let's let me buy an option contract. Oh, my brother's birthday's coming up. Okay. Oh, I need a laptop. Oh yeah, let's throw it in the money printer. But yeah, that's how it was. Hold up. It's getting kinda hot in here. Oh. Hold on. There appears to be a problem. Alright, let's see. So these girls said SPY. I feel like I've never actually seen like an engulfing candle. Let's see. I would like to see if if it's like what they actually show in the charts. I'll say almost. Almost. Feel like open down there. I would say it's the closest thing I've ever seen to one, so yeah. I would say. Oh, hey, SPY did not confirm the move down. On the 2 minute it's looking good. But not yet on the 15. We'll see. Yeah, where'd he go? I'm on Warren Buffett rule number 1 mode. So my stop loss is set for $1 profit and inch it up. Hey, that's one way to do it. If today closes around where we open, I believe we'll see more of these companies that have been. Hey. Oh no, yeah. No, I'm with you, TB. Yeah, I think we will see a lot of green on those. I think there'll be a great swing, honestly. I think honestly, I think there's a lot of room for some green today too, but we'll see. Just depends on what play they want to run today. Do I trade futures? No, I don't trade. I don't trade futures. Bro, I'm gonna say honestly, if you're looking to learn from someone, the more focused they are, the better your learning will probably be too. It's like I know about futures. I've never actually traded them. I'm gonna be real. They seem conceptually better than options. I like that there are more options for options though, hey, I can trade options on Tesla or on Apple or SoFi, not just commodities and whatnot. And then also I've just been doing it. It's like, oh, like I see futures, but it's like, yo, I've gotten so good with this thing. I've put time in with this thing. It's like I got it figured out. It's like that thing looks cool over there, but it's like, bro, I'm happy where I'm at. And it's like there'll be things to learn about that over there. It's like I'm really just content. And it's like, yo, if you want options, hey, I'm here. If you want to go learn futures, yo, that's cool too. If you want to learn charts though, charts apply to both, and it's like, yo, I got you with the charts. That's what I think the most valuable skill is. You know, learn the charts, take it anywhere. It's between the 9 here. Let me turn the 9 EMA on. I don't feel like adding the VWAP right now, but okay, so it's slightly below the 9 and the 13 EMA are like hugging. But yeah, I'll leave that on for now. Hey, it's moving down though. Hey, trying to make another low since we got in. Oh, also QZQX 3047. Appreciate you. Dang, stop loss trigger on the spot. Hey, that's how it goes. Hold on, let me see. Okay, bull chart. I just got let me see. That's weird, dude. All right, so moving down further on the SPY. Also, just doing a little troubleshooting because apparently there's problems going on with WAP. I don't know why. All right, so up 42, 44% on that. See if we will keep moving or not. We got like 33 seconds on this candle though. So this candle right here, I guess this would be confirmation candle. This next one right here. Here, let's see. Wait, where? Okay. Glad this topic was brought up because I started day trading 0DT options and been having success so far, but seeing futures trading, which looked interesting. Same here about futures, but I'm too far into these options. Can't wait to get. Hey, and since hey, you like right here, then I'll change character to the futures market. Here, no decay. Think I'll try it in the near futures. You can start with the prop firm and get an account for us. Hey, I've done the prop firm thing. I'm personally not a fan just because of the trading rules. I'll say if you're gonna go prop firm route, bro, take your time and start learning the way they want you to do it because it's like if I trade the way I trade, bro, I'm getting kicked out of all the prop firm accounts. It's annoying. So it's like I could make money if I had that balance, but it's like also, I'm getting kicked out. So because they're like drawdown rules and stuff. No, yeah, they have strict rules. All right, let me see. I gotta look at my. See. 48%. Yeah, I gotta do some troubleshooting. How do I? Oh, look at this. Oh, there we go. So, I see it's less flexible. No, yeah, for real. Might have ran into a similar problem then because the way I did. No, yeah. I mean, I feel like day trades work. It's just like you gotta be tighter with the way it is, like tighter with the way you're treating or trading. Let's see. All right, so right now we're not wanting to come below this 744 level. All right, so coming back up a little bit. Are we gonna? All right, so not. Hey, we're okay. So yeah, there's no way we get confirmation on this candle. All right, so up 11%, 9%. Hey, we're still moving down, but just not getting confirmation. All right, let's see. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, where did Discord go? All right. VWAP is at 744. Oh, okay. So actually, yeah, I guess there's some value to be said there. That is like kind of the ideal area to trade at. I guess with that insight and with us having 21 minutes left, bro, I'll just take profit right there. All right, so I don't know. I guess I'm not out. I put in an order, but it's not quite okay. Yeah, so I just took profit at 60 cents per share. I'm out, so 15% profit. Yeah, I think Brandon, he showed me we're trading between VWAP and the EMA. I'm not trying to be here after the stream is over, like having to watch a trade. So because of that, I just cut out. 2 minute wise, it looks good, but it's like honestly, I'm not too confident that we're just gonna keep moving down. But we could. Like this trend could keep moving. It's just I don't want to take the chance because I want to just like be on to the next. Hold on 1 second. Yo, what is it? Hold on. Bro, I'm having some technical difficulties. Oh, it didn't do it. Okay. Can we? All right, so it's still, well, actually, it's still between that level. So I'm gonna say, yo, I guess between here and if it can't get below 744, hey, I'm gonna tell y'all be careful. It might just trade sideways, but otherwise, Yo, it can keep moving down. I'm gonna say on the 2 minute, it's doing all right. It's doing all right on the 2 minute. On the 15 minute, it's still continuing a trend. So it might go for it here, but notice like right here on the 2 minute, it's consolidating. It looks like it's ready to getting ready to go for more, but like I'm done. Got like 5 more minutes on stream. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think it's done, y'all. I'm not in anything anymore. I'm done for the weekend. So I'm gonna say to anyone that wants to drop off. Hey, wait, hey, real quick before you drop off, if you had not, please smash the like button. Yo, smash that like button. Hey, that's all I ask. It's free. It's free. Yo, hey, smash the like button on the way out. But yeah, with that being said, that is going to be all the trades. I will still be here an additional like 5 minutes or so. But yeah, to those of y'all that want to peace out on the way out, yo, if you're just here for the trade, it's cool. But yeah, just smash the like button on the way out, please, family. Thank you. Yeah, cause we back to levels where it's like, oh yeah, let's get out of Alcatraz again. Get those get those 100 likes. Yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back. July 24th, I believe. Be our next public trading day. Okay, we're moving back up. Back up on the SPY, 744.92. Hey, can we get 3 more likes? Is that possible? Are there 3 of you out there who did not smash the like button? Hey, peace out. Ahmed. Hey, no, hey, for real, nah, for real. Yo, let's yo, shoot, I might have to do it myself. I'm gonna hop on my stream. Let's see. Smash that like button. Let's see. But yeah, peace out, D Scurv. Have a blessed weekend. Maybe go enjoy some kava. Oh, we did it. I don't even have to do it. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all, family. Thank y'all. I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm like right here. Hold up. Hey, y'all like busted through. Okay, appreciate y'all. Hey, Sir Swing. Hey, you got some stuff you need to pick up. Here, let's see. Hey, Timothy, peace out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, like number. Hey, that's 2 today. Appreciate that, family. LTV. Hey, peace out. Very welcome. Alright, Millionaire Star Swang. Here, let's see. Tech Override. Hey, very welcome, very welcome. Denied Kava. Oh, 700 miles. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Alright, Sir Swang. Alright, hey, Ken, peace out. Maisie Mayo. Hey, very welcome, very welcome. Eddie, peace out, family. What's going on? But most importantly, that's what we like to hear. Yeah. Do some work on that like button. Hey, I just noticed I wasn't carrying. I was like, yo, we like right there by 100. It's like, hey, okay, cool. All right. I've been wanting to get into option trading for a long time, but I don't have time to learn the charts. Hey, I'm gonna say this. It might be difficult. I've been through some very difficult times in my life. 12-hour days, like at work, sharing a car with my wife. Between that, still like in those times, like managing to like read and learn and do all that stuff. It is the things that you do when you don't have time or feel like you don't that makes the difference and kind of earns you the time. I'll say that. Um, I don't fully know your situation, and I'm not gonna say it's not a long term like solution. Like maybe you don't do this forever, but and a full time studio. It's the full time studio. I was like, yeah, I know the 12-hour shift situation because I've been there. Yeah, I would just say yeah, something has to give, unfortunately. And I don't know what your job is, but podcasts go a long way as well. But yeah, family, that's gonna do it for the day. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Good job with the likes today. Hopefully, good job with the trades today too. Hope the family was able to eat. But yeah, with that being said, family, appreciate each and every one of y'all. Hey, be sure to hit the bell notification icon so that you. Oh, full time student. Okay. Oh, you're kind of set. It's a struggle. It's a struggle, peso, but you're kind of set in a way. Like I wasn't even trying to like learn the trade when I was a student. So if you have your eyes on this now, hey, you'll get there. It's gonna be tough, but it's. Now I'll say the thing about using AI to help with the charts, bro. You gotta learn it yourself so you know how to prompt the AI or know that the AI is doing the right thing. Like AI can be cool, but you actually need to understand what's going on. But yeah, with that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I'm about to change your, and I want to change your life.